When evaluating potential ERP systems, it can be easy to stick to the systems you've heard of or that are household brand names, but there's a number of up-and-coming ERP systems that you may also want to consider. The first software provider that you may not have heard if you're evaluating ERP systems is a company called Priority Software. And Priority Software is a company based out of Israel, and they have a really good market share and penetration in Israel, but they're not as well known throughout the world. However, they've got a really good product, especially for organizations that are in manufacturing, distribution, and retail, for example. And they have a very user-friendly interface. They have a lot of clients that are both in the small and mid-market as well as larger enterprises. So it's a product that can be right-sized for a smaller or mid-sized organization, but it's also a product that can scale for larger organizations as well. One of the unique factors of Priority Software that a lot of software vendors don't offer is this hybrid model or flexible deployment model, to where you could deploy either cloud versions of the software or on-prem or some hybrid of both. And that's something that a lot of organizations find appealing if they're not fully sold on some of the inflexibilities of cloud options. They also provide a number of industry-tailored solutions too, so pre-configured solutions that are meant to fit the functionality and specific needs of manufacturers and distributors, for example. So if you are an industry that is served by Priority Software, chances are pretty high that the software is going to fit your needs potentially, and it's something you might want to consider. And then finally, Priority Software also provides some very good integration tools. So if you have third-party or legacy systems that you need to maintain for whatever reason, Priority Software has an open architecture with some open APIs that make it a little bit easier to integrate with other systems. So with all that being said, Priority Software is one of those softwares that you may want to consider when you're evaluating potential ERP systems.